Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Now this videos I will show and I have installed the Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. It's mean low PC. This video is for the very useful guides for the installations of Windows and properly this method work from the other operating systems from the window only, for example Windows 8, Windows 7, 8.1 and 10s. Now let's go my steps. Now press enters. These options you will show to press any key from your CD and DVD. It's mean you must have a DVD discs and drives from the Windows. Now this videos we can you can easily understands. Okay, now this the first page and the first tips your the window installations. Now select a language, for example English and many languages from many countries. Now I use an English language. Now the first tips you click the next, very easy. Now the second steps you will show here install now. Click the install now. Now the third step you ask a Windows, for example you installations your choice, for example this is my choice, I install from the Windows 11 Pro. Now next, this is the third step. Now this is the fourth steps, very easy except the lessons and terms. Now next, now this is the fifth steps. This step is very important for the installations of viewers. Now these two options, the first options you can say upgrade, install Windows and keep file settings and applications. It means you only update your Windows, for example the previous version install into your PC, for example Windows 10, to you upgrade your Windows 11 to must be click the first, because your R file is keep in your PC, no loss your data, only from the window files. Okay, now the second it means custom install Windows only advanced. It means you install a customs, you install your own choice from Windows. For example you create your own partitions. Okay, you create your other applications from installations from new Windows and delete your previous old files and previous window. To these two options the custom is better than from the first. Now click the second. Okay, now this is your partitions. Okay, this is my PC partitions. This is my first partitions have 100 MB. This is my system partition. System means the BIOS and your other process and procedure from your PC. Don't don't change and don't change this. Now this is my partitions 59,000.9 GB. Now first you, this is the two options. Format, it means format, delete only your files, delete only your old files, but you click delete to delete your the whole partitions and create a new partitions again. To these options we will help, for example these two options. Now the first click your format option is a very useful for use. No delete, this is delete, not for use. For example delete your partitions, or partitions have a personal partition from a person we install your or many personal and application to must be a format use. Okay, now next, now you will see the last setups. This is the installations process will be beginnings. Now enjoy the videos and let's see. still working on a few things, almost years. Okay, finally I have installed my Windows 10 in your PC. This is my Windows 10. Okay, thank you very much. Now check your the Windows 11 versions. This is my Windows 11s. Okay, thank you. Watch my videos, and any problems in your Windows, to please send me in a comment box. Now click the restart now. Your PC has been restarted. Now the second steps, select your regions. You, for example, I am from Pakistan, but to where is Pakistan? Okay. Now, for example, now select your regions. I am Pakistani. I am proud of. Yes. Okay. Now in this right keyboard layout, for example input, for example you which we keyboard use, for example Canadians multi-language standards, yeah, English, Indian keyboard use to know, but the sometime as default keyboard is the US. To now select the US and now click the yes. Now want to add a second keyboard layout, it means to the first keyboard your previous keyboard setting, now to you add a new keyboard layout. To this is your own choice, but I know I am not add a new keyboard layout, but only skip these options. Sometimes my English is weak, sorry for that. Okay, these sections must be your internet connection must be disconnect, but this sections and this pop-ups is not going to your ID, but internet connection is disabled is most important for these tips. Okay, to know internet connection from these tips. Okay, I have do not have internet connections, yes, of sure. Now connect now, and now don't continue with the limited setups, don't connect your internet connection in these sections, make sure please. Now enter your names from your PC, for example my PC name is safe. Okay, now press enters. Now password, to you set a password or no, to I am not set, to okay again next. Okay, now the second step is again next, 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 and accept. You will show the main security options, fingerprints and others. Wait for a few moments. Hi, this is the window 11's starting setups. Don't worry, it depends your PC speeds. Okay, do not turn off your PC. This might take a few minutes and you will be show here in the screens. To please do not turn off your PC or laptops, because otherwise your window is corrupt or incomplete installations. Yes, please keep your PC on and plug in, do not turn off. It means your PC is connect to your power cables and to your electricities. It means please keep your PC on and plug ins, do not turn off your PC, do not turn off your PC. Good things coming your way. it means you coming from a good way, you are a good path, and show your new features. Wow, nice. 2011s. Making sure everything is ready to go. Yes, of course.